What's going on, guys? This is Mr. Platinum 3 here, and today we're back with another Minecraft Survival Games video, and today we're going to be playing with my good friend Dvd177 and Cam.
Hello.
Also known as Microwavedonut, but yeah, there's not much difference.
Depends what it's for. Oh shit, I
Depends
didn't get it. What the hell? Ow! When I'm being chased with a different... Ow! 3 hearts.
Don't you dare die, I've got a wood sword.
I think I'm gonna die.
No,
I have 3
don't
hearts and he's left me, so... I feel pretty safe right now. Actually, not really, 'cause I'm stuck
Oh
in
shit,
the
it's
corner.
Cam. Shit, it's Cam. I didn't know that it wasn't Cam.
Okay. I don't know. Oh, this is the base place, I think. Yes, I love this place. I never know how to get down here, so I never come, but I ended up down here, so this is good. I think there's a tier 2 in here. It's like a giant pyramid with water like coming in. Shit. You know that one?
Cam, don't you dare die. I'll murder you. Whoops, no, you already be dead.
No. Okay. I've only got a stone axe right now. What's this?
I've only got. Okay, yeah, okay.
Oh, there's an awesome chest up here. And it's got a stone sword. It's a tier 2. I like tier 2s. Got no steel there.
No. Oh, I don't even have pants. Oh yeah, I do. I do have pants, but I only have 1 pair.
Me and Finn are pretty stacked.
Yeah, we're at Corn Dave.
Okay, I'm in the corner. Got full leather armor.
Oh, that's pretty beast.
And I've got a stone sword.
Oh, that's pretty big.
Armor for you then, David. I've got some chainmail armor and some gold armor for you.
Good. Nice. Can you guys see me up here?
Is that? Oh yeah, I see you.
No, I can't see you.
He's just up on this ledge.
So many coming up behind me.
No, you're fine.
Yeah.
David, just jump on that bit there. Yeah.
Here you go. Oh, behind us.
Ah!
Jeez, I'm playing really bad today. GG, David, that. So I can give it now.
Does anyone have any better legs?
This,
I need a stone sword.
You do?
I've got a stone sword.
Here you go. Make an iron sword.
Okay.
Is this your 100th, David? Are you gonna give me your 100th this game?
No. Those are. Yeah. Just don't look. Should be well. You're watching the video, okay? You don't.
Has anyone got a spare flint and steel or something?
Not
Or a spare
sauce.
iron? 1 iron?
Not sauce.
Actually, Simon says. Remember that,
Shit,
David?
is that a guy? Is that a guy?
That's what Simon said.
Oh, there's a team of 2 over here.
Okay, that's what I
And
Oh, they have crafting stuff.
okay, 1's done. And 2 is done.
Yeah, you left
And for the running away. Oh geez, he fell down the trap. Don't do it. I almost jumped down there after him. GG.
Everything's flying up.
Okay.
I never knew there was a trap there.
Neither did I. Well, I actually never knew that whole place was there. Oh god. Ben, that was just not nice. Oh, guy over here. Pretty action-packed Ben. Oh.
Oh, it's on the other.
Ooh.
Sorry, can't see.
Oh, that's the guy that-
Me. I hate you.
That's the guy
I'm back,
that
I'm back.
wanted a team with David.
Oh, sorry, David. My bad.
What? Oh, that's fine.
I shot you.
Oh crap.
Oh
Almost
my
fell on
god.
that.
Watch out, he's gonna try and shoot. Oh jeez. I'm pretty low.
Guys, get out of the way.
Cameron, move your
Cam,
head.
I wouldn't.
Oh geez, don't shoot me into the trap.
Ow.
I would move back, guys.
Ow.
Now I'm doing half ups.
Anyone got
He's gonna
arrows?
run in. He's coming,
Heads
he's coming,
up.
get him. Ah! No, he isn't. Ah! 2 hearts.
Oh, he got me on fire.
You gonna stay alive? If he comes through, I'm gonna.
David, do you see, guys? Do you see me here? Guys, do you see me here? When he comes out, I'm just gonna take him.
Need to collect all the arrows. I'm on 3 hearts, jeez. Why is that bad at this game? Server lag. Is that right? Oh jeez, I'm on 2
Wait, he's the only one left. I'm gonna go around the back.
Oh jeez, he is.
Guys, don't leave me here, Cam. You have to stay here, okay?
Can he not see you there?
No, he can't. So if he comes out, I'm just gonna take him.
Arrow?
There actually no.
Ready for this? Oh, I shot him once.
The wrong way.
I'm on full hearts.
I think he's gonna come. If he comes, you're gonna have to take him.
Yeah, but you're gonna have to help me. I don't even have an iron sword.
Oh, you can take him.
Ready for this?
Only on 3 hearts. Go, David. Oh, jeez.
I wasn't gonna win anyway. Beat him up. Give him a nice punch to the
Oh,
face.
fuck him.
Taking my way. He's 1 shot down.
It's very good because I don't actually I don't have to worry about.
Cam, you shot me like 4 times. I'm on 1 heart now.
I hit you once.
Oh, you shot me like 4 times. Okay, I'm done.
Attack him. Go eat him.
I'm done, Cam.
Slice his neck off.
He's so mine. We're so bad. Oh, jeez. 1 heart.
Oh, I've got him like so low. 1 more shot and he's done.
Same with me.
He's smart though. He's bringing you into a small space.
Where is he? I'm scared. I need a regen.
Don't leave yet.
I'm in 1 heart.
I'm on like
Nice.
2 hearts.
Wait,
3
you
hearts.
survive until deathmatch. Oh jeez, we're so
Pretty
screwed.
easy.
Cam, I don't even have a bow or anything.
Yeah.
Wow,
No.
teamers. Said wow, teamers. You guys are losing him with 2 1 2. You guys should be extremely sad. I'm gonna sit in the stand.
Ben, don't kill me.
I'm not gonna kill you, I'm recording. I don't even have an iron sword or shit. You got like everything good.
Here's an iron sword.
I'll probably die at deathmatch because you got like way better stuff than me. Do you have any better leggings? Oh wait, hold on.
There's iron leggings. Oh, wear leather. Give me your gold ones.
What else? Go fight. Actually, Finn
Okay,
has
no flint and steel.
And no bows because I don't even have a bow.
now Finn could have giant advantage. Really good.
Okay,
I'm not ready.
take out that fire too. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. No, you know. GG, you won.
This is first one.
Oh, 2 hearts.
Damn it.
Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Like, comment, rate, subscribe. Go check out my friends' channels. I'll put them in the description. And goodbye.
Bye.